National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fayette, western Madison, southeastern Clark, eastern Greene, until 6:45 a.m. At 6:14 a.m., radar indicated a severe storm capable of producing winds to 60 miles an hour. This storm was located just south of Xenia, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Jamestown, Cedarville, South Charleston, London, Choctaw Lake. In addition, Bell Center, Shady Grove, Gladstone, Selma, South Solon, Brook Walter, Lisbon, and Midway are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile marker 66 and 79, Interstate 71 between mile marker 76 and 83. Stay indoors and away from windows until the storm has passed. A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Wednesday for northeastern Kentucky and southwest Ohio.
Now for the official National Weather